Alright, sorry about that interruption. When I was recording this video, it was a class change time. In any case, we finished going over number 9, which was dilates by a factor of -3, moves left 2 units and down 1 unit. For number 10, you have it dilated by a factor of 1/4. We talked about that on Friday as well. Down 0 units, but left 4 units. Again, that left, even though it's a plus sign there, we talked about how it has the opposite relationship. Alright, so we're going to move on now to the next problems. Number 11 and number 12. Now for this one, we're actually going to start stating the domain and range again. So we're not only listing H and K, we are stating the domain and range. So if you want to take a second, I'm going to pause this video. I'll let you try them on your own, graphing them, and then listing H and K with the domain and range. Go ahead and pause this video now. Alright, so for number 11, again, you want to put this function into your calculator and then hit your second graph to find integer values or numbers that are exact that you can plot on your graph. Remember at least 3 to sketch it. Your graph is going to start at 3, 2. That's the H and K value for a square function. Your domain is from 3 to infinity, and your range is from -infinity all the way up to 2. Again, it stops at 2. For number 12, putting these values in, again, this cube root function into your graphing calculator, hitting the second graph button to get your table of values, plotting those values on the graph, and then drawing the approximate. You'll see that your turning point is at -1,3, which is right here, and your domain is all real numbers, and also your range is all real numbers, looking up and down. So this is going to keep going down, keep going up. This is going to keep going left and keep going right. So that means your domain and range is all real numbers for both. Okay, moving on to number 13 and 14. You again want to do the same thing. So I'm going to pause this video and allow you to work on these. Okay, so for number 13, again, your H and K is 2, 0. Domain goes from 2 to infinity. It'll keep going right from 2. And your range is going to start at 0 and keep going to an infinity from there. Keep going up. For number 14, your turning point is at 0, -5. Domain and range, again, all real numbers. The last 2 problems, if you have gotten to that point, I will allow you to do for your homework, and we will finish going over those on tomorrow, on Tuesday. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good evening, and I will see you tomorrow.